We have a Northfield 5 horsepower 16-inch table saw here to run it here. It's got a 45-degree tilting arbor on it. It's got this adjustable fence on it, original wrench for it. It's wired 220 volt, 3-phase. It can be rewired to 460 volt. It's set up for dust collection on it. The holes are covered on the bottom here. It's got about a 6-inch vent on the back side here. It was made in 1982. It's a fairly low hour machine. It comes with a bunch of extra blades over there that came with it. It's all ready to go to work here. Okay, I'm just going to cut a quick cut of 2x4 with it then.